What's up, my calendar? My pants, woman!
You sure it's not my calendar?
Yeah, girl. Oh, love. See, good girl, Del. Post on our status. Yeah, girl. It's time for upgrade. The patient chill yet. See you soon. Like I said, wait for me. I have no whole heap of shit on me. And I'm my actual weight this. I'm not convinced. Hello, my cakesters. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly_O_, and let's get straight into this video. Before I get into it, go ahead and enjoy this. Is a GRW.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to blow away.
It's June 1st and today we'll be going to the Health Hair Expo. If you don't know, my mom is a licensed cosmetologist for almost 30 years and Ash is in the hair and skincare line. If you know, you know. There's a lot of exhibits with skin hair businesses along with like the beauty sector. It will be something good to experience, so me and mommy decided that we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead and enjoy this day with mommy. Oh no, was it mommy fear?
Hi, morning. Another day.
Another slay.
No, it's another day to be thankful.
Me can't bother with the
See you
YouTube
later.
guys. Come, we're gonna go in the car now because Delores been away from my friend. Oh, she not start cuss me.
No, what the energy for flow nice.
Period. Anger that gal. Let's go. I don't know the headband go already. We're set little piece of ear. My hungry. Hi, good day. Could I get a 8-piece nuggets combo, please? The one honey mustard, one sweet and sour. Alright, and thanks. Yeah, the Dan never did I go the piece of event hungry because my head start to hurt me. And Delores cook a big breakfast, you know. I'm telling you what Delores proposed to me. Sausage and baked bean with ground provision. It is too early for me to eat them food there. So I'm tell her I say I want one bagel. But what's up my calendar? My pants, woman! What's up my calendar? My pants!
You sure it's not my calendar?
Yeah, girl.
I say cut up and say about it.
No, girl. Something that crawling on my pants is true. Don't laugh. See there? Bumba clap. But tell you.
There's somebody can't front of you, Kimmy.
Why?
Make him fly out.
Him not fly out.
At the black sun. Wind down. Yeah, thank God he's gone.
Jesus. Oh, chip on my door. Oh, shit. But tell you, I feel something in
You
my
better call
pants.
Chrissy and tell her.
But now I tell her,
I call her.
back to the food now. She want to give me a sausage baked bean with ground provision early in the morning. I'm like, how to the no? She eat one big old food. I can't eat her, so I just told her that I wanted bagel. I should have the cinnamon bagel them. Somebody else makes you warm it, so I'm eat that. But now I'm hungry. And I go to stop at when it's like, imagine me I drive normal and it's something.
God not make nothing bad happen to you, Kimmy.
Anyways, all for one, I guess. Secure the food. Make a go arena, no? Yeah, what go? I don't know. There's the people left already. You know, say them they are from the cracker down because them have the expo back too. But we're gonna have a good time, right, Deldo?
Right.
Classic.
Yeah.
Hey, see, come on now, Del. 131 and later, expect back for the over here, nice though. Watch Del way she love a picture. Yeah, girl. Anger that. Good girl, Del. For post on our status.
Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the Don't wanna stick on the side of switch.
Man, I don't know what for start. What for start? Murder. Alright, we're gonna start over this.
Smaller pack.
No, need it bigger than this.
I have a 24-inch, but not in this brand. I have it in the Janet brand.
Oh, you have the one named Twist Up. Oh, nice. How much for you?
But also 585.
Okay, how much you don't need money? In the ear for do me ear, but then she has me say she not have no black.
Same here, but just a different brand.
I want to show you the type of twist I want. You know the twist I do now?
You don't really matter. Same here, just different brand.
How much of this you don't need, mommy?
One pack.
How much for it?
1,550.
Alright, I can get this? As me come, may I spend money already. So we get the hair, but me hear them I give an expression here. So we get with free ear the red. Yeah, to be seen, yeah.
I'm gonna with you now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep, you already said it's one or one person.
It's two people, two.
Thank you.
Let me put my 40-inch bust down in my day. This look a bit fabulous. I feel like some of them are foreign. You know, they had a foreign fear them. Yeah. Say hi. Period. Ready?
Here we go.
have any, but guess what?
Yeah, girl. The Louis never gonna stop until you get the ear for the minute.
We come on a mission. We on a mission.
This is our leaving conditioner?
Yeah, but we normally use the gel.
Oh.
Them not good.
I saw this business on Instagram, Divine Spa.
Let's get away. Hi.
What full show going on? Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
So if you have an idea, you want to take your idea smart, then they start teaching and assist you. Also,
Oh.
we also have workshop, personal care, personal care and food workshop. We have our bar soap workshop. We have our body wash, body butter, lotion.
So this is my business. So I do my formulation, but there's a specific product that the girl and Bino have to bring back. But we never finalize the preservative. So I want you guys.
She's a team lead for the natural products unit, so we'll be working closely.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to give you a call.
Okay, alright,
Thank you. Thanks. Get something free. Thank you. Here you go, down. Thank you so much. Up here basically done. But they expect more people, but they have different photo booths. So let me show you. I'm up that.
Walk in here. Walk out.
Walk out, good girl, walk out. No, yesterday. Yesterday scream came. Guys, we're gonna walk some more. And the small business them the upstairs. I thought it was just them down here salon, but apparently not. So we're gonna go upstairs and look on the rest of the food there, but let's go. Over upstairs, yes, I bring me. Cause there's no sense of direction. Mommy, what's your take so far?
It's lovely. But I thought more people would be here.
I know the people, I thought more booths and then some of them.
would be there.
Because yesterday when I watched them Instagram, okay, they crazy. It's not giving what I saw yesterday. But we get crazy.
Yes.
Let's see if we can secure some more. We're here. Murder. I never know me that gonna make it. Wait, the next one, little. The stairs them ridiculous. What a lady there sells snow one.
Yeah. One by one fit?
Yeah, come with you.
It's
With the
like-
VIP, did they get like a goodie bag differently? Is it
like-
good?
Alright.
A lot of samples.
Alright. Take up the two braid them in there and we go for take two of them. She said, only one. Only one. I mean, never hear so one fuck a braid that nobody hears. You know, all I'm going to buy from you.
Yes, please. I know, I never think about that. One packet here, though, the braid.
Hello.
I never think. Anyways, we're gonna get with Smoothie now. I walk with goodie bag. When I walk with Grace, I work with Expression.
Can't bother with you now.
I want to both to share them.
Can I go sister?
Let me taste the mango. And mango, come on. You know what I like. Me I like mango, but you can't drink. But they are walk same way. Oh, them earring they look good, mommy. So we have one vote already for that one here.
Honestly though, I'm thinking this one because of how low it is and summer and statements. If we're gonna go with
Yeah, the one you grab me now. I make the button one nice flowy dress with the boho braids.
yes.
So yeah. So this is more on service. Peer pressure. Whoa. So I'm going to take this one, but I'm going to message you on Instagram for this one.
So, these are they?
You take card or you're only doing cash? Okay, fabulous.
Yes.
Never use care for a day in my life.
Really? Me neither. I convince people somewhere that it's a good brand.
Let us interrupt. I love ya. Yeah. This is she.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, someone one here. Hey, boy, show you the things that we get, but please push me like, you know. Bag number one.
Bag number two.
Wait there. I have to show them a bag in our order. Show them a bag there.
Three bag.
One. Yeah.
Two. And two. You think them love can't count?
I grabbed Tutti Frutti as y'all saw. The let's buy Island Grill for dinner. I get a just enough. But we're not going to eat that in. Sunday essentials. I got the birthday cake. If you excited that I must have. And then you see the toppings. Cool.
Shock your body.
Listen, I want to show you to say them and no say public vlogging further me. I want to show you to say I'm gonna pull up my camera. I'm recording. But mommy, did you enjoy your day though? I did. We learned so much, bro. Like we learned about things that we can incorporate when we had the food pop up. I'm use the word we can no stand me and dull that business. You right there, Louis? So I think I'll be there next year for sure. I'm gonna go there about 3 hours.
We went the right time.
Yeah.
We met the right people.
Facts. We done about 3 hours. I'm gonna tell you, say, me well up walk, start get. But it was good. There's one that's coming up in July. We'll probably go there one day. If good stars have it on the side car. When the mommy, I'm not pay full price no more. But let's go for good stars if them have it, buy through them don't have it, my do go. Come so tell them. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the Sunday ice cream. So this is everything that we got from the Expo. Expression when I and talk, them distributors of Jamaica, they go on with their self. Let me see which bag of mine. Okay, this one is mine. So I got the 4X Expression pre-stretch 72 inches. So once you got the Expression booth, you scan the QR code and they give you this here with the Expression bag. That's not the bag I really want because I never know that kind of unlimited type of thing. Like them carry a whole heap. I bought this one from a small business. As always, them on halfway through them Marvy. I was looking for twist up. As I saw that on TikTok, the girls like the twist up one do a twist up to them and use. She said the Ghana was good to it. So mommy does have a buy it too. And I'm like, girl, no. It's supposed to be a cheap protective style until I get a maintenance. Well, I'm gonna buy 2 pack of this. That's almost 4 grand. We got a fan, which me never realized until Marie Cho. And it never hot. So the fan was useful but not for the current moment. Man, you take pause of going somewhere and as a step put in, you automatically get a free pack of bread. But then they outside that stuff for 1.5. I remember say we never pay towards of going pay 5 days. So we eat the stars. Not sponsored by the way, but I'm just on the stars of stand just go out. This was what I spin and got. I feel like this is a new tier where they might try and market because they had a lot of them. But what my hairdresser uses, you know. And this is 72 inches. So all the way to the 4 peaks. But I got some kiddies wipes. I'm going to use it down there. I feel like as a girl, anything was a baby, it just makes sense to use it because super sensitive, super delicate type of thing. Yeah. We got pen from Expression. That pen are pretty. Oh, the pen never acted so nice. We got earrings. Oh my god. First of all, once me did see our booth, I was like, Vicky. Like her pieces were so good. Like, my little child follow her on Instagram and tell her, say, I will be shopping from you. I hope it does don't change. You say it now gonna change. It's hyperaluric acid. That look over there. They say, it's from a ring. Oh, it comes with something to clean your jewelry. I love the packaging. The packaging is so cutesy. We also got this ring. I have been seeing the girls wearing a lot of bow jewelry. But that is it for bag number 1. Bag number 2 now, Adele bag. She gonna work. That's why I'm doing her unboxing. She got the same 75-inch here like me. She got 2 of them. Remember, one come with the bag. But me have something from Superb/Wow. I never know that they were the same company. And we actually secured something with them. Listen, going to the whole expo, it was definitely something that Ash needed. So they gave her a neutralizing shampoo, the little packets of it, because she purchased a neutralizing shampoo because mommy do here if you know, you know. This next bag is from Carefree. So you guys saw, wait there. Oh, he was explaining this. Carefree would be like Grace Kennedy, and then Stay Free would be like Caribbean Choice. So, you know, the Mother Hub, premium quality. The Baby Shino, she's giving more inferior vibes, however, it's still good quality, so they can basically tackle 2 audience. But it really depends for your pocket size. He was very good at persuading. Here, man, I'm gonna tell you about Pod. But you know what, Pod? The young man said when he got the work, he gave his mother and sister a sample and asked them for their feedback. That's our work. So, mommy actually bought this for Chrissy. She does that be sassy a while ago when I come in. And I said, I want to buy an affair. So, mommy get that for her. They give you a little goodie bag. Goodie bag, I peeped in it because I actually have on one of the sanitary napkins now. And I'm going to tell you, I feel as if I don't have on anything, if I can have on a tampon. Carefree. What are you trying to do? I'm a confident girl, la la la. So in there they gave you 3 different pads. I know 3 different pads in a murderation. 3 pads. Oh, they gave you tampon. Ooh. They gave you super regular 2 panty liners. This is what I really love about this packaging. They gave you Pharmacon cold and flu, Pharmacon cold relief, the chewable tablets, along with Jergens lotion. Who do you know? And all I spent there was $1,000. So me have the same bag, so I'm gonna unbox that for Uno. So this I bought for my sister. Yes, my sister. That was so sassy earlier. How much time did I say sassy? So sassy. She is one of my mutuals. What's crazy is I always see her content and absolutely love her content because her content is how I imagine my page to look, and she probably see this and be like, girl, you are that girl though. What if I them think me are that girl, you know? But in my mind, them are my girl, you know? So the packaging was so cute. So my sister loved body oils. She loved shimmer. She loved that. And when I smelled this, it definitely gave my sissy, so I bought it for her. So she come in, well, sassy.
I just told Titty I wanted some glitter.
Chrissy, I see this now. I said to mommy, say, may I get this to Chrissy? She said, Chrissy, no want that. I said, you don't know my sister. I said, Chrissy, I love for just put on one body suit.
Thank you.
Smell it. It smells so good.
Brown sugar, you know, girl. I'm gonna be done.
When she smelled it, she said, it's still a love scotch at y'all. What's the angle? But that is it for today. I'm literally going to turn on the AC, put on some rainstorm, sleep, get up, eat my dinner, go back to sleep. So I'm going to close out this portion of the vlog, and I pick you guys up tomorrow to kickstart the first Monday in June. I hope June is good to me. I'm gonna realize it's my birthday, the girl. I'm gonna start planning all like my things, I'm gonna jot them up. I'm gonna plan. Yeah, I'm gonna do that tonight. So pick you guys up tomorrow.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? I missed the fight. Fucking night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't around when she tattooed that ass. I tried to keep you, and I need some last night.
Happy Monday! Guys, we wake up in good spirits. I wake up early. If you know from the last vlog, your girl has snooze until all 9:30. This time, we only snooze until 8:30 because I went ahead and set my alarm early. Plus, previous clips that y'all watch, I stayed up and edited until 12:35. And then by 12:58, the dial enters to all our devices, the Wi-Fi, everything come off because they determined that I'm not going to let May, like the last week of May, come over in June because it's a new month, new blessing, new opportunities, new habits to be created. Like, and we're reaping the reward because as soon as I wake up early, I'm take out my clothes, I pack my bag. Listen, your girl even went ahead and pack her beverages. So this is cran grape. So it's the ocean spray one. I wish mommy did just buy like the cranberry alone, but she buy this because the cranberry literally for me alone because it's so nice and everybody can manage it, but I like it. Even went ahead and packed my water. This cup, I literally just start use it back. I say my sister use that. And if you know, you know. When I hear somebody else start use it, all of a sudden they have used sweets. I'm just take it up. Actually keep water very, very cool. So if you want one brand, like that brand is expensive too. Like it and Stanley in the same tax bracket. But yeah, it's really cool though. Like it really cool the water. I had water in it overnight and came back and it was chilly. Yeah, I'll leave it linked down below. Also, for the people that were some of them I linked the AirPods, I did not. But it's there now, so you can go back on the video. The girl gets up and pack her beverages. The only I didn't do was breakfast. So we're going to start with for egg, bacon, cheese bagel or a double smoked croissant if them don't have that. We literally have like a short to-do list with a lot of flexibility. So today we are going to be delivering a package to my customer. She travel all the way from Portland to start her business. Don't play with my Ash wholesaler them. These girls are so determined to start their business. If you want to start a skincare or beer care business, go ahead and follow Ash by Kim on Instagram. Yeah, whatever girl them start them business as low as $5,000 in a given year 2025. Come on, nobody watches that 2030 until maybe $5,000. Alright. Yeah, so literally I could do a delivery and I want to go to Pandora. As you guys saw, I took out all my Pandoras to take because the last time I cleaned it was in December. Yeah, and I get very crazy now. We'll probably go in and Newton, so I'm like, you know, I might as well just walk with it. No, it's not really planned, but I know that things can fall into place because I woke up so early and said on my DMs, like I literally cleared 100 plus message, and if you never see the phone, message 100 again. So I'm gonna try answer in between as I go throughout the day because personally I don't like when people take long for answer me, so I don't want to take long for answer my potential customers. But the sad reality is I have no soap base and I'm completely sold out. But also I gotta work it out. I'm gonna work it out. My Amazon guy always deliver earlier than the expected time, like probably like 2 weeks before the time of the pan thing. So fingers crossed it's the same process again. With that being said, let's go ahead and kickstart our happy Monday. Yeah, when I just say happy Monday, we're happy for chore, clock it. So since I put on my bag them in the car, cause I come and arrange up the car, cause I like to like prep the car now from the night before. So you know the car, everything structure. I'm gonna have to, if me I pick up somebody, I say, oh excuse the mess. That's an excuse that me hate hear people say. So I say, I start clean the car or such in the morning. But this song resonated on me while I was arranging the car, and I said, no man, I forgot start off a little session with it because it's been a while I hear that song. Blessing, money, testimony. Gonna follow, we go. Gonna follow. Hey, Quad Bump and set me up. Woo! Quad Bump literally set me up. Like, what was that? I don't know, but whatever the song said that way I'm working. Like, I literally feel like a shiver up on my spine. Damn. Good news, Javet, testimony. Gonna follow. Hey, Cold Bump. Grab a double smoke bacon because them never have the egg bacon cheese bacon. I'm gonna get ice so I drink. Let's head in Kinto.
Cause every move can make a mickle. Nobody watching trickle. Cause things so wild.
Live a little, breathe a little, and go and enjoy life. Life is a living we know.
We just live it to the fullest side.
Make the good times flow.
I love again. See when the game and start off again. See them speak up.
Alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Reach a clock tower 1:57. My customer is supposed to come at 2. I call her. She not close, but she not the close. So she probably reach around here, so like 2:10, 2:15 thereabouts, which I don't mind because I want to pick up something in clock tower too from Bushscription. I found them on IG. Like the Christy girl make me find them. Remember, she that talk about, she that talk to somebody with them mouth stink. Them use one snippet of her video, and at the time she was trending. And I just see it, I'm go up on them page, I'm like, damn, you have one name, Cleanse Bark or something like that. I'm gonna go on them IG and show them. If you don't want detox, then you can check them out because the reviews are so good based on what I see so far. And I feel like said the weight to me, I've no a whole heap of shit in me. And my actual weight, this like I'm not convinced this is my actual weight. Okay. I maintain it. So in my post I'm again like people say them I lose 10 pounds, when I lose 10, I lose 7 and then feel flush. But no, this not gonna taste good as all because this is literally a cleanse. And honestly speaking, as a little picnic, we usually deworm every time we go back to school. And when I'm gonna deworm, the amount of worm supposed to in my belly I run up and I'm gonna say, give me, food. That's what I am so much though. So it's a mixture of herbs, they just boiled tea drink and I can see it go. I keep you guys updated on it. I'm gonna restock at 3. I'm restock last week Wednesday 3 o'clock. I'm gonna come Saturday and it done. My customer reach 13. Why? You want to reach a bit later because no, my later I sing yourself like oh no. I can go and come back, but I don't want to come back in here. That's the thing. Back so soon, huh? Don't mind just post it. Them no longer do them tea with that specific store in Clock Tower. So himself for order online, so I'm just ordering it online now, yeah man. I don't be for the from morning, but just look a bit enough. So I gotta order the tea. Even better, I can just go straight Pop Mart. That is something we need to do today too. I'm going to do a very big purchase at Pop Mart. Me order one case or one specific bottle. Reach a Pop Mart. Let's go inside and order these bottles. Can you get 20? I want is it from a list. 25 of them here. Must say we reaching on the car, but look how the car pack up. Don't even think of the car seeing the car good. Hello? Never ask him, can I see around the back of my vehicle? Is it a time for upgrade? If it's a patient chill late, I'll see you soon. I drive Chrissy baby. Burp. I'm so happy I got to make this big girl purchase. I'm always on do it, you know. Like the aim is to like the one restock for the month. So like you just buy the volume that you think you'd sell for a month, like the case. You see the 4 ounce back of them at 200 and I'd come in with this at 165. I really wanted a box because I want to have some of a story. I'm gonna get in a box. To spend a pretty penny. I'm not feeling about it. I'm not feeling about it because it's for future Ash, right? I'm gonna go ahead and head to Pandora now. We reach a Bijou. We're going to go ahead and drop my Pandoras, guys. I just want to be a little bit delusional and tell myself, say, I lost my last it, but I can't find one necklace, 2 earrings. But I'm going to be delusional and say, you know what, probably a vacay bag with the cargo there, we in the MTO yet. I end it then. I might just be delusional and tell myself that, but I doubt it. I really and truly doubt it. Fingers crossed, may I clean and find them because they were gifts. You know if you were a gift. Like, if somebody goes to them and get something for you, you must cherish your heart.
Here I am.
BERLY CROSS.
What's your phone number?
453-000-0. This a 5 year?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear 5 that. So this is all I am.
You're a junkie.
Yeah.
I told my partner Neo,
Or do a drop off. The guy was like, how long you earring them? I'm like, these are my go-to everyday earring. I wear them until they become black, yeah. So himself, I pick up between 2 to 3 days, but I normally give them a week just in case. I love the renovation. I also see them have TikTok now, like the other country them that for going with themselves, you realize they could have a TikTok. Because I think it's Barbados, Pandora, TikTok, babes, I'm gonna tell you. So outside is so hot and I know water cold, Jesus. So we literally don't have anything else on the road to do. I just got a wig order, so I want to drop off her wig. That's why they're right on the road. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop off her wig, get something to eat, and head home. Mr. Mark, I get sneakers, you know. I some put it on. Young man wasting money, you know. Come on, I'm alright, I'm gonna wear Crocs today. Guess what did I wear? Freaking Crocs. I have to come down. Let's go to Oxford. We reached at Oxford, literally around the road, so it wasn't much to drive. So let's go drop off my customer 30-inch body wave, 180 density, 13x6 lace wig, just 18,000 dollars. Yeah, one get with JA for the affordable human hairs. Don't play with it, okay? Don't mess around at the back. Remember, so the vehicle is not mine, the vehicle is Ash. So this is the wig right here.
You have customer number?
Yeah, 128. I'm going Montego Bay.
Clear one, right?
Yeah.
Here you go. Stand the scale for me.
Okay.
Alright.
True.
Yeah, so up to date, so you can leave notify whenever it's sent out and it's ready to be picked up.
Oh yeah, alright, no problem. Okay, I need the easy. Send off the package. Time to go get something to eat. It's 3:37. I feel like I did it in good time standing. 1 Kim cakes. I'm thinking about, oh my god, don't tell me someone miss them special my palace. Fried rice, so sweet and sour with fried rice for pick up. Correct. So we're here picking up my food. I don't remember which floor. I'm supposed to go back to my just press 1. Food right on, yes it is. I pick up the food. Then secure the food. Maybe we're gonna Mimi more for the matcha Oreo. Yeah, the last time I ate them up enough, but part it out as one like a treat. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. But we secure the food and it's piping hot, like it just come out. Yeah, if we go eat. Jesus.
How about mango?
Mango?
Mango mackerel?
Mango?
Yeah.
No, I don't eat mango.
Very
My aunt for please.
Come again.
I don't eat mango.
You're Jamaican?
I can't take it back. I can't take it.
Mango?
For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment?
Secured our dinner because on the lunchtime again at 4:21. Got ourselves a little treaty treat. No, I take one this already. Actually like it. The second time I drink it, I'm like, man, this it makes sense. It's just that I want it look a bit more cool. But I'm not really worried about the coolness because it's like the less ice them give, more opportunity for you to get more drinks, and who doesn't want that? So I'm going to drink out some, put it on the fridge, sugar and wait name there. Let me tell you what I get just in case you want to get it. Is the Oreo matcha boba. Do you want me to try brown sugar and then after my time say brown sugar is sweet? Yes, hello. This is the end of the vlog. Guys, I'm open. I love the vlog. The expo was so good yesterday. Today was so good too. Like I just love the fact that I woke up early and navigate my day. This is really and truly more for my life. I know that every time it's like work, but when it does work, like it make me feel like I have productivity in my life. And personally, I strive of productivity. Like, I gotta just accept whenever I'm productive, that's when I feel at my happiest. But I like that, and I don't know. It's just not me. I can't do that. I wish I could just do it and just make life just pass. But with me personally, I realize that 2-3 days pass and I'm at the same spot that I was. Mash up my head. Our secret emoji is gonna be boba. I didn't know what I wanted it to be, but the boba really resonates on me, so boba. Yeah, that's gonna be your secret. You want to go ahead and lock it in. No. By the time you guys see this video, I hope, fingers crossed, we're at 5k because we are currently at 4,939. Hopefully by the time this vlog is up, we're celebrating 5k, and if we do hit 5k at that time, please go ahead and do some 5ks in the comments. I hope that you guys love this vlog. This vlog was very entertaining for me and one that I look forward to doing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to join the Cake family. Go and big up on yourself. Bye.
For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do.